If you've left a WhatsApp group, whether as an admin or just a member, and want to be added back, here's what you can do. Option 1. Ask an admin to re-add you one. Open WhatsApp and find the group chat you left. 2. Tap on the group name at the top. 3. Scroll down to see the list of group members and find out who the admin is. Tap on the admin's name and send them a message asking if they can add you back to the group. Option 2. Use the group invite link. If the group has an invite link, you may be able to rejoin on your own. 1. In the group info screen, look for the invite to group via link option. 2. If you have access, tap it and copy the link. 3. Paste the link into your browser or directly into WhatsApp and tap it. It should take you to a screen where you can rejoin the group automatically. Important: only admins or the group's creator have permission to generate an invite link. If you were just a regular member, you won't be able to access this option. If you don't have the link and you weren't an admin, your best bet is to message an admin directly and request to be added back. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel. It really supports me.